Do you feel trapped in a cycle that seems impossible to escape? You sit down to focus on studying or work, but your mind refuses to cooperate. Overthinking consumes your nights, leaving you restless and unable to sleep. Anxiety takes hold, especially in the quiet hours of the evening, and uncertainty about the future lingers like a dark cloud. In an attempt to escape these feelings, you pick up your phone, scrolling endlessly through social media or videos. But instead of finding solace, you're left with a hollow sense of emptiness, guilt, and an overwhelming fear of what lies ahead. If this sounds familiar, know that you're not alone. This silent struggle affects millions, yet few talk about it openly. Over 90% of people find themselves stuck in this loop. But the good news is that breaking free is possible. In this video, we'll explore practical steps to help you regain control of your life, rediscover focus, and build habits that lead to success. I've faced these challenges myself and found strategies that work. Stay with me for the next few minutes as we dive into actionable solutions that can transform your life. The first step is to take full responsibility for your life. Understand that no one is coming to save you. People are preoccupied with their own challenges, and the world is filled with distractions designed to capture your attention, energy, and even money. Social media, endless streaming platforms, and notifications are not just conveniences. They're engineered to keep you hooked. Here's a hard truth. If something is free, you are the product. But instead of blaming the system or others, reclaim your agency. Ask yourself, am I spending my time in ways that align with my goals, or am I letting distractions control me? Once you accept responsibility, you empower yourself to make meaningful changes. Next, break free from the consumption trap. Many people mistake consuming endless content for progress, but in reality, it's like running on a treadmill. You're moving, but you're not going anywhere. To break this cycle, start by tracking how you spend your time. Identify the activities that drain your energy without adding value. Once you've pinpointed the problem, shift your focus from consumption to creation. For every hour spent consuming content, dedicate at least 30 minutes to creating something meaningful, whether it's writing, learning a new skill, or working toward a goal. Instead of passively absorbing information, take action that moves you closer to your aspirations. Motivation is often viewed as the key to success, but it's unreliable. It comes and goes, driven by fleeting emotions. Discipline, on the other hand, is a far more dependable ally. Start small by committing to just 15 minutes of focused work each day. As you build this habit, gradually increase the time. Your brain may resist change initially, preferring the comfort of familiar patterns like endless scrolling. However, by celebrating small wins, you can rewire your brain for productivity. One effective technique is the 2-minute rule. If a task feels overwhelming, commit to just 2 minutes of it. Often, starting is the hardest part, and once you begin, momentum will carry you forward. A clear sense of direction is essential for breaking out of the loop. Many people feel lost simply because they don't know what they want. Take 30 minutes today to define your goals. Write down what you want to achieve in the next month, year, and 5 years. Break these goals into specific, actionable steps, and identify potential obstacles along with strategies to overcome them. For example, if your goal is to master a new skill, outline a plan. Dedicate 1 hour daily to practice, watch expert tutorials weekly, and review your progress monthly. This clarity will eliminate confusion and provide a roadmap for success. Consistency is what separates successful individuals from those who remain stuck. Showing up daily, even when you don't feel like it, is what builds habits that last. Consider this. When I first started learning video editing, I was overwhelmed by the complexity of the software. Instead of giving up, I committed to practicing for 20 minutes a day. Over time, those small, consistent efforts added up, and I became proficient. Remember, consistency isn't about doing everything perfect. It's about doing something every day that moves you forward. Your energy is your most valuable resource, and how you manage it can determine your success. Start your day by tackling the most important tasks when your mind is fresh and alert. Avoid the temptation to check your phone or email first thing in the morning, as this can drain your focus before you even begin. Instead, dedicate the first 30 minutes of your day to planning your top priorities. Take short breaks every 90 minutes to recharge, and end your day by reflecting on what you've accomplished and planning for tomorrow. By managing your energy wisely, you can maximize productivity and reduce burnout. Setbacks are inevitable, but how you respond to them makes all the difference. When you face challenges or feel overwhelmed, resist the urge to numb yourself with distractions like endless scrolling or binge watching. Instead, take proactive steps to lift your mood and regain focus. Engage in quick physical activities like push-ups or stretching. Jot down your thoughts to clear your mind, or start working on a small, manageable task to build momentum. Progress, no matter how small, can be incredibly uplifting and help you get back on track. Finally, establish clear boundaries for distractions. Social media, gaming, and binge watching can be enjoyable but often leave you feeling drained and unproductive. To regain control of your time, set limits on on these activities. For instance, restrict social media use to 30 minutes in the evening, turn off notifications during work hours, and replace one entertainment habit with a productive one like reading or journaling. By setting boundaries, you'll create space for activities that genuinely enrich your life. Breaking free from the loop isn't about waiting for the perfect moment. It's about taking action now. By taking responsibility, reducing distractions, and building consistent habits, you can transform your life one step at a time. Progress is always better than perfection. Every small step you take brings you closer to the life you want. So what's your first step? Write it down and start today. Together, let's upgrade our habits and create a future we can be proud of. Thank you for watching, and if this content inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more actionable insights. Let's continue this journey together, one habit at a time.